Medical oxygen supplies from other countries continue to reach India to help the country in its fight against COVID-19. INS Tarkash reached Mumbai on Wednesday afternoon carrying 20 metric tons cryogenic containers and 230 oxygen cylinders. Oxygen containers were facilitated by the French mission as part of Oxygen Solidarity Bridge and oxygen cylinders gifted by the Indian diaspora in Qatar. A flight from Oman carrying 36 ventilators, vital medicines and other medical equipment arrived in India. An oxygen production plant from Germany installed at Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel COVID Hospital in Delhi was inaugurated by German envoy Walter J. Lindner.
It is what friends in need can expect from other friends. India would do the same for us as we do it for India. I'm just returning this favor which India has done to the world, which was helping us a lot in the pandemic so far.
The Indian government is also procuring the OxyCare system developed by DRDO to meet the oxygen demand. DRDO said that the Union government has ordered 150,000 units of OxyCare system.
PM CARES Fund has approved procurement of 150,000 units of OxyCare system developed by DRDO at a cost of 322.5 crore rupees. It's a SpO2 based oxygen supply system that regulates oxygen being administered to patients based on sensed SpO2 levels.
DRDO said that the new system produces gas that prevents patients from sinking into a state of hypoxia, which is fatal.
Under this sanction, 1 lakh manual and 50,000 automatic OxyCare systems along with NRBM masks are being procured. The OxyCare system delivers supplemental oxygen based on the SpO2 levels and prevents the person from sinking into a state of hypoxia, which can be fatal.
Karnataka government has started an initiative to provide oxygen concentrators to COVID-19 patients in home isolation. Oxygen concentrators are being delivered to patients at their doorstep in association with Ola Cabs, Zerodha and Give India Foundation. Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister Dr. C. N. Ashwath Narayan said that this service is being provided free of cost.
We are trying to provide oxygen concentrators at the doorstep of the people in home isolation if their saturation drops to 94 or below. This service is free of cost. 5,000 rupees refundable deposit will be taken.
Bengaluru civic body BBMP has launched an Oxybus service to help COVID-19 patients during emergencies.
6 to 8 oxygen cylinders available in a bus. We are targeting 20 Oxybuses for now. They will be set up near triage centers and government hospitals in Bengaluru. Each Oxybus is capable of treating 8 patients at a time. Service to be free of cost.
The daily requirement of medical oxygen has come down in some states as there is a slight decline in the daily number of COVID-19 cases in the country.